Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to remove objects from photos on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the Albums app on your smartphone and from here just open any image. Now just tap on Edit. Now just swipe from the left side and tap on AI Erase. Now just circle on the object which you want to erase, just like that. Now just wait for a few seconds for it to erase the object from the photo. Just like that. Now as you can see, it removed the cable completely. And also as you can see, there is the option of remove people. Now if you enable this option, it will scan the image for any people in the background and it will remove the people from the image. Now as you can see, this image does not contain any people in it. So I will save this image. Now just open any photo with a person in the background, just like that. Now just tap on Edit and swipe to the left side and tap on AI Erase. Now just tap on Remove People. Now it will scan the image and it will detect the person you want to delete. Now just tap on Remove All. Now just wait for a few seconds and it will remove the person from the background, just like that. Now just save the image. And this is how you can remove objects from photos on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.